Wait, before you pour that syrup, did you know your breakfast could be sabotaging your energy? Stay with me, I'll show you 10 genius breakfast swaps to fuel your day. Breakfast is the most important meal, so let's get swapping. 1 pancakes with syrup, tasty but sugar-packed. Swap for whole wheat pancakes with natural honey. You'll get fiber, antioxidants and energy that lasts. 2. Love bagels? Swap the refined carbs for whole grain toast with creamy avocado. You'll get heart-healthy fats and longer-lasting energy. Bacon's tempting, but high in saturated fats. Swap it for scrambled tofu with spinach. You'll get plant-based protein and a vitamin boost. 4. Poached eggs are the ultimate protein fix, less oil, more nutrients. Perfect for muscle recovery. 5. Cereal equals sign sugar overload. Swap for oats with berries, slow carbs that keep you energized for hours. 6. Juice lacks fiber. Switch to whole fruits to stay full longer and control blood sugar. 7. Ditch donuts for banana muffins, natural sweetness plus potassium to fuel your day. 8. Swap cream cheese for avocado spread, more fiber, less saturated fat, and so much flavor. 9. Upgrade waffles with protein-rich batter and fresh berries, delicious, plus muscle-friendly. Ditch whole milk for almond or oat milk, fewer calories, more vitamins, and just as creamy. There you go, 10 simple breakfast swaps for better energy and better health. Which swap will you try first? Drop a comment below. Like, if you love breakfast, share with your brunch buddies. Follow at Southern30 at Modern Medixes at MedixBB for more healthy hacks. Start your day right, one swap at a time.